So imagine this, Google isn't just walking into 2025's flagship war, it's strutting in with a foldable that could change the rules entirely. We're talking about the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, a device that doesn't just bend, it bends the expectations of what a foldable can be. And if the leaks are true, this thing is about to pull off something no other foldable has ever managed before. Welcome back, viewer Sam here, and if you love being first to know what's about to shake up the tech world, hit like, share this with a fellow Pixel fan, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Here's the wild part. This isn't just a spec bump year. For the first time ever, Google has taken full control of its hardware destiny with the Tensor G5 chip, built entirely in-house and manufactured by TSMC on a cutting-edge Thurnam process. That means better efficiency, cooler performance, and tighter integration with Google's software magic. And you know where that magic really shines: the camera. Google didn't win the mobile photography crown by cramming an absurd megapixel counts. It did it with pure AI wizardry. Think night sight, HDR fluff, magic editor, the kind of stuff that turns your quick coffee shop snap into something that looks like it belongs on a billboard. Now with the Tensor G5, that wizardry is about to level up again. With smarter scene recognition, faster on-device editing, and even new tools like Pixel Studio that could let you make pro-level tweaks without touching the cloud. But here's where things get a little suspicious. Early Geekbench scores for the G5 kind of underwhelming. On paper, it's trailing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and sometimes even last year's G4. But here's the catch. These are likely pre-release builds. Google's history of last-minute performance tuning means the final story could be a very different one. And honestly, the real battle for Google isn't just raw numbers. It's whether they can make this a foldable feel like the future in your hand. Speaking of feeling like the future, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is about to become the only foldable with proper IP68 dust and water resistance. That's not just a flex, it's a genuine engineering headache solved. Foldables have hinges, gaps, moving parts. Sealing them against dust is basically tech wizardry. Even Samsung's latest foldable only manages IP48, which is fine for raindrops but not for beach sand or flour spills. If Google nails this, it's a mic drop moment. And that's not all. Google's redesigned the hinge for a smoother fold and a smaller crease, given it MagSafe style wireless charging magnets for perfect alignment, and slightly bumped the cover display to 6.4 inches with thinner bezels. The main display, still a big, gorgeous 8 inches, but now brighter across the board. They've even squeezed in a 550 mAh battery, 7% bump from last year, without making the phone feel bulky. Yes, it's a hair thicker and a gram heavier, but that extra stamina might just win over skeptics. Storage now goes all the way up to 1 TB, Bluetooth gets a bump to 5.4, and while the camera hardware hasn't changed, the G5's upgraded image processor should make low light shots cleaner, HDR pops harder, and zoom sharper. And if Google keeps the price in last year's ballpark, it could seriously tempt people sitting on regular slab phones to finally take the foldable plunge. The official launch, August 20th, but Google's been accidentally leaking its own products for weeks. Teaser videos, high-res renders, and now even a short clip of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold unfolding in all its glory. And there's one more twist. Rumors of possible delays for the Fold, the Pixel Watch 4, and even the Pixel Buds 2a. Still, the Watch 4's leaked clip shows a sleeker charger and that same dome-shaped glass design we've come to love. Oh, and if you buy a Pixel 10, Google's throwing in a full year of Google AI Pro with 2 TB of cloud storage free. Bottom line, Google isn't just chasing the foldable trend this year, it's trying to own it. If the leaks hold true, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could be the first to bring true flagship durability to a foldable, paired with a smarter, cooler chip and battery life that doesn't force you to baby it. August 20th might just be the day we see foldables grow up.